Hello and welcome to another video by me, Nikki Jackson, and today's video is a abstract painting process video. I was commissioned by a local lady for her fitness studio. She wanted something very vibrant and energetic to go with her fitness classes, and the colour theme was neon pinks, grey, white and black. So this was quite a challenge for me because it's a bit more of a limited palette that I'm used to, and it was interesting to see how I could take her branding colours and create something that was still within my own style but reflected the kind of vibe that she was going for. So it took me a little while to sort of get into this. I was playing around with ideas, doing some thumbnail sketches, thinking about ways that I could approach this, and eventually it started to come together. So I started off gessoing the canvas and sort of playing around with the colours to see what they look like together and the different marks that I could make. I kind of stopped and started this painting a few times because it wasn't really going in the direction that I wanted to. So then I decided to take the neon pinks as the main dominant colour and did like a kind of gradient between two different pinks. So I had a more subtle neon pink at the bottom and a darker one nearer the top. So I kind of blended those in together and then blended in some white to sort of marry the two parts together and get some different areas going on in the painting. So here you can see me just working in the white paint. I wanted lots of free flowing marks and strokes, lots of splashes and lots of energetic movements for this painting to really convey the energy of the fitness classes. So this is pretty much my process. I hope you enjoy watching it and hope you like the end result. Enjoy! Bye.